I could have my Gucci on. Can I open the door?
Hey! He said we're not allowed to record in here.
No way.
Yeah, that's what he told me to decide.
Cap.
He really said I go up there and ask him. You have to get permission. Not allowed to record anymore.
How about instead of playing airsoft, guys, we get a little freaky?
Hey guys, long time no see. It's gonna be hard to explain where I've been this past year, so I made this short video to explain. Anyways, I apologize for not uploading. I honestly just got burnt out. I'm going to be playing again more soon, so hope you guys will enjoy my content again. In today's video, we were playing at Nashville Airsoft with a new to me layout. Had some weird and funny stuff happen this day, as well as being told not to record, which was quickly taken care of by the appropriate staff after talking to them. Shout out to them. Anyways, enjoy the video.
What's up? I'll call it. Woo! Good hit. Oh. Got hit. Watch up, watch up.
You're gonna go in here and go left.
Like 4 of our guys are already right there. Oh, in here, in here, in here.
Here?
Yeah. I just heard him hit the wall.
Friendly. Deadman. Deadman there.
Oh, sorry for hitting your hand. Oh, good hit. Alright, I'm gonna go fix my gun. Oh hell no, I'm about to get copyrighted. Hey, can we play Young Thug? Oh, sorry ref, sorry ref, sorry ref. Good kills, good kills. Hi. How are you doing?
Good, how you
Doing alright.
Green team has control of the grill.
He went behind black box, black box.
I'm gonna try to move to this box.
He's immediately out there, black box.
Right over here.
There's still someone to the right?
Can't tell.
I already peeked out. They would have shot me if they're smart.
I'm gonna run. If they get me here, at least you'll know if there's.
I'll try to cover you. If you pull, I'll go.
Go.
You have 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. Everybody respawn. Everybody respawn.
Oh, that's us, that's us. Blue, 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 blue. Okay, nice.
Damn, that sounds good for AEG.
Yeah, my dad got it for me. Oh, hit. Oh, right in the finger, dude. Go. Dude, he just threw his gun on the ground. I got it on film. Sorry, ref. Hey, no blind spot, bro! Hey. No, it's respawn. Respawn? Yeah. I could kill you. Sorry, I'm trying not to hit you in the hand. You're dead. You're hit. You're hit. Good shot.
Hey, he said we're not allowed to record in here.
No way.
Yeah, that's what he told me to decide.
Cap. Did he really just say that?
He really said it. Go up there and ask him. You have to get permission.
I was told we're not allowed to be recording in here.
We're not allowed to record anymore because kids like to come in here and post or something. Dump clips on people, so...
Okay. I'll just call the owner.
You'll have to go get permission from our boss.
Yeah, actually knows who I am, so I'll make sure we get permission. I'll let you guys know. Come on, let's go get permission to record, I guess. I know who the owner is. He talked to me, and he actually told me that he likes watching my footage. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing all right. We were just told, me and Colin, that we're not allowed to film anymore. What's that about?
Nobody can film. It's only designated teams.
Really?
It's Hayden. It's Hayden's new rule.
Really?
Yeah. Let me know next time kind of ahead so I can take off and we can actually run some games.
Oh, absolutely. Take care of yourself, bud. How you doing, boss?
Doing good.
You guys know where Hayden is?
Huh?
Me and Colin were just told we're not allowed to film anymore.
Oh yeah, you can't film unless you get permission from Hayden. It's only...
Well, I'm trying to find the boss because the boss pulled me in the office and said you're allowed to film like 3 years ago. He should know me. And I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just trying to figure out.
No, well, it was because some kid came in here recording, dumped somebody, and immediately left.
Yeah,
So
no.
They stopped that shit and only started allowing teams and sponsors and shit like that.
Okay.
You still got your old gun and all that shit?
Keep in mind, it's been 3 years since I've touched it. I've had to fix a bunch of stuff today.
It's been like, this is like maybe like our second month back.
Yeah.
It's been, you know, since you left, we all pretty much left, everybody left.
Yeah, I noticed even YouTubers and all this stuff stopped uploading too.
Yeah.
We all got hit by the big old YouTube like gun violence thing.
Yeah, no, there's no recording anymore on the field. They had started this at the beginning of this year.
Did they not address it to you before?
Well, the owner actually pulled me in the office not too long ago, and he knew, his kid knows who I am and all that stuff, and he was like, yeah, anytime you want to record, blah, 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 blah. And I was like,
Okay.
so I was trying to explain that, and they're like, no, you can't be playing, I don't know who, like, blah, blah, blah. So
Okay.
I don't know, maybe I could talk to the owner again or something.
I'll get you set up so
Yeah.
you can record today. If you guys have permission from the owner.
Yeah, but I don't want to get you in trouble because it's been so long.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
But if they come in or something like, hey, do you guys remember talking to Airsoft Wolfie? You know?
Yeah, no, I get it. No, I'll let you record.
Okay.
I don't have an issue with it. There you go. Just show them that sticker next time they try to kick you out.
Hey,
yeah,
you
they
can't
should
be
have.
recording
They
anymore.
should
I'm like, I don't
have
know.
explained it instead of kicked you out at the moment.
Yeah, because I mean, like, I was I want to say running. I was getting my ass kicked in the middle trying to because dude running the corners, but yeah, I just all of a sudden they're in the little hut and they're like, you and misunderstanding. We got it figured out now. Yeah, owner knows me. I mean, we talk. They're good people, and we're not. We look edgy, but we're not edgy. And they give me free iPhone. It's one nice people. How about instead of playing airsoft, we get freaky? Oh, sorry. Look. Whew. They're watching at window. If you go in, they're in the window. Crossing, crossing. Are you waving? Hey, there's a left. There's a left when you get up there. Yeah. I'll be with you if you want to go. Hard left, watch hard left. It might be us, it might be us. Blue! Blue! Blue, 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 blue. We're all blue, dude, you're good. Oh, sorry, ref, sorry, ref. Whew. Blue, blue. Whoa!
Everybody push their ass. They cheat like a bitch.
I don't think dead men talk.
Travel far.